Hello, my dear friends. Today we are going to learn English grammar. Use able to, use going to, use used to. I am Dattatray V. शिवपार्वती माध्यमिक विद्यालय वाघोली तालुका उस्मानाबाद. Hello, my dear friends. I am Dattatray V. शिवपार्वती माध्यमिक विद्यालय वाघोली. In this video, English grammar topic, use able to, use unable to, use used to, use going to, use can and could. These five things we are learning. Use able to and use going to. In this examples, what rules are there? There are the modal auxiliaries: can, could, shall, should, will, would. These are the modal auxiliaries. On the place of these modal auxiliaries, we are using able to and going to, used to, and if the sentence is begets to, then we are using unable to. For example, here are some examples. Use going to and use able to. I can do it. This example is there. I can do it. I am able to do it. I can do it. I am able to do it. I am going to do it. On the place of can, we are using, if the present tense is there, we are using am. I am going to do it. I am able to do it. I can complete it. I can complete it. We can complete it. We are able to complete it. We are able to complete it. We are going to complete it. Are going to, because plural are is there. Okay. We are going to complete it. We are able to complete it. I can win a match. I am able to win a match. I am going to win a match. Going to, able to, on the place of can, and we are taking the helping verb properly, then we are using able to and going to. Able to and going to. These examples are here. Very nice. Used to. And if I can't do it, I am unable to do it. If can't is there, unable will be there. If I don't do it, I am unable to do it. I shan't do it. I am unable. On the place of able, we can write unable. Okay, used to. I would finish it. On the place of would, should, could, we are using used to. On the place of would, I used to finish it. I used to finish it. They would buy it. They used to buy it. They used to buy it. She could open it. She used to open it. She is used to open it. I would finish it. I used to finish it. They would buy it. They used to buy it. And she could open it. She used to open it. We can use able to also. Able to also. I was able to finish it. I was going to finish it. They could buy it. They used to buy it. They were able to buy it. She could open it. She was able to do it. She was able to open it. Like this we can do the practice. Unable to. Used to. And on the place of able to we are using can. On the place of going to we are using can, could, like the same. Unable to. Use unable to. I can't open it. I am unable to open it. I can't open it. I am unable to open it. I can't keep it. I am unable to keep it. I can't. If don't, can't, shan't, won't, like this examples are there, we are using unable to. And lot of examples we can do the practice. They can finish it. They are able to finish it. They are going to finish it. Like this practice we can do unable to, able to, used to, going to. I can do it. I am able to do it. I am going to do it. We can complete it. We are able to complete it. We are going to complete it. I can win a match, I am able to win a match, I am going to win a match. What we will do, first we must understand the sentence. We are taking the helping her properly, and we are using on the place of can, shall, will. We are using able to or going to. The same meaning will be there. I am able to do it, I am going to do it. And used to, on the place of would we are using used to, or could is there, we are using used to. And if can't is there, shan't is there, we are using unable to. Like this, able to, going to, unable to, used to, and use can, could. On the place of if I am going to do it, I can do it. I am able to do it, I am able to do it, I can do it. Like this, examples practice we can do, and you write down more examples like this. These are some examples I have given here. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe and share this video your friends. Thank you very much.